The nature of dark matter. Dark matter, accounting for 85% of the universe's matter, is a mysterious substance with a mysterious identity, largely inferred through its gravitational influence. Dark matter is called dark because it doesn't emit, absorb, or reflect light, making it invisible and detectable only indirectly through its gravitational effects on visible matter. Dark matter, though not directly observed, exerts significant gravitational effects on galaxies' formation and structure, interacting with normal matter and influencing stars and galaxies' movements. Scientists have yet to determine the precise nature of dark matter, which could be composed of undiscovered particles, weakly interactive massive particles, or axions. Scientists are conducting underground experiments using particle detectors and telescopes to search for dark matter particles or interactions, using colliders like the LHC and direct or indirect detection methods. Dark matter's understanding is crucial for understanding universe's structure, evolution, and formation of galaxies, as well as refining gravitational theories and fundamental particles of nature. The dark matter research in astrophysics and cosmology is ongoing, with confirming its exact nature and properties a significant challenge in modern physics. Thank you, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more of our videos.